condominium, initially a mass-produced model, was a canvas we sought to transform. While the location and amenities were impressive, the interior lacked the unique character our client desired. We proposed a concept centered around upcycled oyster shell paint and integrated greenery, aiming to create a space that felt both luxurious and personal. To enhance the existing windows, we added wooden panels to the sashes, creating a more unified appearance. The oyster shell paint, with its delicate texture, was applied throughout the space, softening the edges and blending the windows seamlessly into the walls. The existing fixtures were retained but refinished to complement the new aesthetic, their wooden grains stained to match the subtlety of the paint. Instead of traditional potted plants, we envisioned a more immersive experience with greenery. On the upper floors, we integrated a dining bench with a sculptural element, creating a soft, organic partition between the study and dining room. The bench's design allowed for intimate interaction with the surrounding plants, evoking a sense of being nestled in a tree canopy. To further blend the greenery into the space, we utilized a mirrored surface on the ceiling to reflect daily life onto the inorganic concrete, creating a visual connection between the natural and artificial elements. This transformation of the condominium aimed to provide a unique and personalized living experience, one that went beyond mere luxury and embraced a harmonious connection with nature.